Reasons why smart people do not perform multiple tasks. The temptation to multitask is strong. It is also quite harmful to your health. Despite what you might have heard, tasking really hurts your performance and may even harm your brain, according to recent studies. Every time you multitask, you may be injuring a part of your brain that is essential to your achievement in the workplace in the future in addition to your effectiveness in the present. Stanford University research revealed that focusing on one activity at a time is more effective than multitasking. The study's findings revealed that persons who are frequently inundated with many streams of electronic information are unable to focus, remember details, or move between tasks as well as those who work on one thing at a time. A unique ability? But what if certain individuals possess a unique talent for multitasking? The multitasking propensity and efficacy beliefs of several groups of persons were compared by the Stanford researchers. They discovered that those who frequently multitask and believe it improves their performance are really poorer at it than others who prefer to focus on one item at a time. Because they had more difficulty organizing their thoughts, weeding out extraneous information, and transitioning between tasks slowly, the frequent multitaskers underperformed. Ouch! Your productivity and effectiveness will suffer if you multitask since your brain can only concentrate on one thing at a time. Your brain cannot properly complete two activities when you attempt to accomplish them both at once. A multitasker's IQ declines. According to research, multitasking not only makes you slower but also reduces your IQ. In a research conducted at the University of London, participants who multitasked while completing cognitive tasks showed IQ score decreases comparable to those seen in people who had used marijuana or stayed up late. Men who multitasked had IQ losses of 15 points, bringing their results to that of an 8-year-old on the average. Therefore, whenever you're in a meeting and trying to write your boss an email, keep in mind that your ability to think clearly is being compromised to the point that you might as well let an 8-year-old write it for you. Multitasking causes brain damage? Contrary to long-held beliefs, recent evidence reveals that multitasking might permanently damage cognitive function. Researchers in the UK at the University of Sussex linked brain MRI scans to how much time people spent using several gadgets simultaneously, such as texting and watching TV. The anterior cingulate cortex, which is involved in empathy as well as cognitive and emotional regulation, was shown to be less dense among high multitaskers. Multitasking has harmful impacts, but more study is required to understand if it physically harms the brain, as opposed to existing brain impairment that predisposes people to multitask. The EQ connection. Nothing turns people off quite like fiddling with your phone or tablet during a conversation. Multitasking in meetings and other social settings indicates low self and social awareness, 2 emotional intelligence, EQ, skills that are critical to success at work. TalentSmart has tested more than 1 million people and found that 90% of top performers have high EQs. If multitasking does indeed damage the anterior cingulate cortex, a key brain region for EQ, as current research suggests, doing so will lower your EQ while it alienates your coworkers. Putting everything together. If you frequently multitask, you probably won't want to continue doing so because it obviously slows you down and lowers the quality of your job. Allowing yourself to multitask can exacerbate any attentional, organizational, and concentration problems you already have, even if it doesn't harm your brain. Subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow. Watch the next video, it is more informative. Let's continue.